Broadcom NetExtreme 25GB Ethernet adapters for Lenovo ThinkSystem servers are an ideal choice for high-performance cloud-scale data centers and enterprises looking to jump from 10GB to 25GB networking while still protecting their investment in 10GB technology. These adapters offer not only lower average latency, but also 3 times lower and more consistent latency, both of which are important in avoiding unexpected and disruptive application delays. In addition, these adapters offer smart congestion control, which provides improved Rocky V2 performance and results in up to 40% higher port throughput. With this functionality, there's no need to keep network utilization low just to counter latency issues. These adapters also have a high level of security because the authentication code and key are stored in hardware. This ensures that only authenticated firmware can be executed. These adapters are an ideal partner to the ThinkSystem NE2572 and NE132 Ethernet switches, since both these adapters and the switches are based on Broadcom technology. For more information on these adapters, check out the Lenovo Press product guide. The link to the guide is in the description. Thanks for watching.